Morning, Mami God. I'm reviewing your caregiver for today. About the vital sign, which include body temperature, pulse rate, Morning, Mami God. My name is Arvin, and your caregiver for today. About taking vital signs, which include body temperature, pulse rate, respiratory rate, blood pressure, and oxygen saturation. At first, I will gather some information. What is your complete name? When is your birthday? Age? Okay, ma'am. I will take your body temperature. Would you like to do it by yourself or shall I assist you? Okay, ma'am. Here you go. It will do it now. Ma'am, I will take your pulse rate. It takes 1 minute. I will place my finger to your artery and give me a few minutes to count. Okay, ma'am, your body temperature is normal at 46.3 degrees Celsius at normal range of 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. Your pulse rate falls under 80 beats per minute, and it's in a normal range up to 60 to 100 beats per minute. Ma'am, is it alright to repeat the experiment to double check if it is accurate? Okay, ma'am, I measured your respiratory rate and it's come to 16 to 20 cycle per minute, and it is in a normal range up to 12 to 20 cycle per minute. Okay, ma'am, I will take your blood pressure. Ma'am Bada, do you still remember the last blood pressure that you take? Okay, it's 120 over 80. Now I'll proceed your blood pressure. Okay, Mami Bada, your blood pressure is still 120 over less than 80, and it's in a normal range to 120 over less than 80 millimeter of mercury. Okay, ma'am, I will take your oxygen saturation and I time it for 1 minute to take your oxygen saturation. Okay. Okay, ma'am, we got your oxygen saturation and it's 97%, and it's in a normal range of 95 to 100%. Okay, ma'am, for your last measurement, which part of your body is hurting? Okay, your arm. If we scale it to 0 to 10, what pain level it is? 5. It's in minimal pain. I will report this to the doctor to determine the appropriate medication. Okay, Mami Bada, we are done now taking your vital signs. You can move back to your seat and continue watching TV. Thank you for your cooperation. See you tomorrow.